Hello and welcome back for another 50 States of Food cooking video. This is a collaborative effort I've been doing with Heather from the Pixel Gamer Girl channel, where we have slowly been cooking our way through all 50 of the United States. Today's stop finds us in the volunteer state of Tennessee. It became the 16th state admitted into the Union on June 1st, 1796. And the dish I'll be making is a Tennessee fudge pie. The ingredients I'll be using are 1 9-inch pie shell, 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 lightly beaten eggs, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Sounds like the oven is ready, so let me go ahead and bring in a bowl, and I will start by adding in my sugar, the melted butter, the eggs, and vanilla extract, and then I will stir these until they're well incorporated. Now that I have these mixed together, I'll lightly combine the cocoa powder and the flour together. Now that I have the flour and cocoa powder combined, I'll add that into my wet ingredients, and then these get stirred together. Now that I have those stirred together, I'll go ahead and add in the chocolate chips and gently fold them in. Now that I have the chocolate chips incorporated, I'll go ahead and bring the pie shell over, and then this goes straight into it. Now that I have that evenly spread out, this is going to go into a 325-degree oven where it'll bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. After removing the fudge pie from the oven, I did allow it to cool on the counter for about 20 minutes just so it wasn't screaming hot, but you do want to serve this warm. It's a nice and ooey gooey on the inside, just like it should be. And we're going to go in here and get a bite of it. This is a really good pie. A little bit rich for my taste. I don't normally eat a lot of sweets, but I do like it. It reminds me of like a hot fudge brownie. The only thing I think I'd like to have added into it are a little bit of nuts, though, with that crispy topping on top. I do kind of get a hint of walnut, even though I don't have any in there. Maybe that's just my imagination or wishful thinking. But overall, it's a really good dish from Tennessee, and I did enjoy making it. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If y'all have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. Remember to check out the 50 state playlist and see what other states we've already done. But as always, thank y'all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.